Superman's new film is out, and it's not just his story, it's the beginning of the entire new journey of the DC Universe. In this film, James Gunn has slowly set the entire future of the DCU, giving glimpse of new heroes, all history, and even upcoming big villains. The film's story seems like a simple rescue mission. Lois Lane arrives at the Hall of Justice, where Green Lantern Guy Gardner, Mr. Terrific, and Hoggle are in front of her. Her goal is to get Superman out of the poker dimension created by Lex Luthor. Now you must be thinking that this seems like quite a straightforward plot. But no, the real convention is in that mural hanging on the wall. Yeah, that was not a simple painting. That was DC's who attended register. Who even look at it carefully saved 13-14 superheroes, and who even zoom in a bit more saved 20 in the painting. Some heroes were half cut, some were so old they look like they were scraped from forces. But by looking at this mural, one thing becomes clear. The history of superheroes in the DCU in hundreds of years old. At the very beginning of the film, it's mentioned that human has known metahumans for 300 years, and this metagen was spread through Vandal Savage, an immortal villain who has been alive for thousands of years, and the root of metahumans is connected to him. Now talking about Flash, Gunn has currently canonized 3 Flashes in the DCU. First, Jay Garrick, who looks less like metahumans and more like a grandfather. Second, Barry Allen, who is still confused by the timeline. And third, Wally West, who is going to be the main Flash of the future. Along with this, James Gunn's animated series Creature Commandos shows a future scenes in which a hero looking like Flash appears. But that was not Barry Allen, that was Wally West. This means Gunn is slowly making Wally the new main Flash of the DCU, who will later become a part of the Justice League. While in the Hall of Justice mural, old heroes of the Justice Society like Silent Knight, Black Parade, Sandman, Wildcat, and Atomic Knight are seen, which clearly show that the superheroes have been present in the DCU of many generations. Powerful heroes like Dr. Fate and Spectre also show that the story will now move beyond Earth into magic and the multiverse. And this is the same building that has been seen in the Arrowverse before. Now Gunn's Justice League is different from Zack Snyder's. Here the tone is a bit comic accurate and the style of the animated Justice League. Currently the team is being called Justice Gang because Batman and Wonder Woman have not properly joined yet. As soon as they make their full entry, both the team's name and status will become official. Now look CW's Flash. Grant Gustin has openly said, if James Gunn calls, I will run back. This might mean that in the future, he could return as a senior Barry Allen, and we seen coaching Wally West to become the Flash. Basically, from becoming the Flash, he can now become a Flash guru. Now talking about the villains. Yes, Lex Luthor is the mastermind, but Gunn has also introduced Vandal Savage, whom he called DC Genghis Khan, because he was the one who spread the metagen all over the world. And many of today's heroes are connected to his bloodline, and the Justice Gang is currently being funded by Maxwell Lord. But as soon as Batman comes, the team will not need anyone else's money, because Bruce himself is a billionaire. Gotham is also mentioned when people leave the city during destruction. They run towards Gotham. This also means that Gotham Batman and the entire story associated with them are also active in the background. So the matter is not just about Superman's return. This was the grand opening of the entire DC universe. Every scene, every small name is pointing towards big explosion happening in the future. Supergirl, Batman, and the proper entry of the Justice League are still to come. Superman was just the beginning. And now at the end of the video, I will just say this, if you saw any hidden hero in the mural, then definitely tell us in the comments. Who knows, Gunn might tag you in the next film. Okay then, see you next time with a new superhero Tadka. Bye bye.